Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video of this series. So in this video we are going to build the front end of our entire application. Okay, so let's get started. So let me bring this VS Code in the side. So we will start with the app.js file. So let me remove this entire div. Here I will add the box component from the Chakra UI, okay, which is similar to the div. Okay, now in this box what we are going to do, let us create one more box inside this div, and now let me give some classes to this container, to this box. Okay, what are the classes? First of all, let me add the border to show you why I need to add the classes to this. Let us refresh this and let me add some content. Hello. Now you can see that this border is from edge to edge. Okay, but I do not want this. What I want is, I want, let's say, till here. Okay, my border of this entire application. Or you can simply say that I want my entire application to be in the container. So what I will do is, now let us add one class from the Tailwind CSS which is container. And now to give margin on the x-axis, I will use this class mx-auto. Okay, let us again refresh this. Let us close this server. I don't know why it is not reflecting. Okay, now let us try to see. Okay, yeah, now it is reflecting perfectly fine. Now let me remove this border class as well. Now see, what I want to create in this is, first of all, you have seen that we were having that search box. Okay, so I will create that thing. So to create that thing, first of all, I will create one component in this. So now let us create one components folder in the src folder. Now in this component folder, now I need to create one file which I will name form container.js. That's it. Okay, now in this form container.js, let us create the function component. Now again I will remove this entire div. I will add the box of the Chakra UI. Now in this I will create one input tag. Now this input again is from the Chakra UI. Okay, that's it. And okay, we are not using it. Just let me add this form container in this. Okay, now you can see that we are able to get this input container. Now I want to give some of the styling to this. So how I will give the styling? Let us add that particular thing. First of all, let us give the placeholder. Type something and then triple dot. Yeah, we got the placeholder. Now after this placeholder, I will add the size. There is a size prop in the Chakra UI and we will use the large size. Okay, now then I will set the background color of this input component. Size I will use is white, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and now see, when I click on this, then you get this focus border. Okay, so I will change this color as well, focus border color, and again I will use this white, not white actually, #3944F7. okay, now see. And yeah, if you are willing that from where I am using this hash codes of the color, then you can check out this amazing website colors.codingjungle.in. okay, from this website you can easily pick color for your next project. here are some of the cool color palettes, and here are the gradients. Okay, you can share them as well to your friend or some family member who is a graphic designer or a UI UX designer. Okay, and if you want to use some color, then just simply click on the color and that color will be copied. You can see the hash code in the URL. Okay, so this is amazing product. Do check out and let me know in the comments. Okay, yeah, so this was the focus border. Now one more thing I need to do is that I need to remove the hover effect from this input. So I will use this underscore hover attribute and I will add the value false, okay, to this input. Now one more important thing, we need to add the type attribute, and type attribute will be text. That's it for this input. Now let me give some of the styling to this box as well. Now first of all, I will give the margin bottom of 5%. I will give the width of 90% for mobile devices. Okay, and then use the MD for medium devices, basically for responsive designing, and W-full for the desktop screens. Okay, and again MX-auto for the margin auto on x-axis. Now you can see that how it is working perfectly fine. Okay, yeah, so this was the entire thing for this form container. Now let us again go back to the app.js file. Now you can see that this this input tag is present at the top. Okay, so let me remove that styling as well. Let me fix that thing as well. Okay, so the topmost box of the app component, let us add the class name and give the padding on y-axis as 5. Now you can see it is at the bottom. Okay, so this is for the styling for the form container. Now let us create that notes card. Okay, but before creating that notes card, let me create one new component file, and that new component file will be notes container.js, because I want all of those card to be present in this. Okay, no matter that is that card which we used to create the notes, or the card which we are using to display the information. Okay, all those will be present inside this. Now let us use this notes container here. Okay, yeah, here you can see that we got this notes container. Now let us add some of the styling to this notes container as well. So again, let us remove this div and add the box. Now in this box, what I will do is, let us create one card now. So how I will create card is, when we will go to the Chakra UI, so we will go and search for the card. Okay, then you can see that we have something known as card body, then text. Okay, so we are going to use the same card component to build this. Let us again shrink this. So what I need to do is, let us bring the card component from the Chakra UI. Okay, and this card has one more component which is known as card header. Okay, now in this card header, what I will do is, let us add a normal paragraph first of all. Okay, create note. Now you can see that we are getting this interesting kind of a styling. Okay, so now let us add the icon in this. Okay, because I do not want this paragraph of create note button. Now how we can add the icon? I told you that we have installed this package known as React-icons. So just go to this website, or React-icons. Okay, you will get this website. Let me show you how it will be appear. React-icons. That's it. So this is the first website. Just click on this here. Now just simply search for the add. Okay, now we need to use the plus button. This is the one which we are going to use, gr add. Now see, this is just a icon name, but now how we are going to import this icon name? You can see the two initials of this icon name, it is gr, and other icons have vi. So now how we are going to import this, let me show you. Just shrink this, close this. In the nodes container, import something from react icon slash, now whatever the two initials of icon name are. Our icon name has gr, so just this one. Now paste the icon name gr and remove this and simply use the icon name. Okay, that's it. Now you can see that plus icon is visible here. Okay, that's it. Now let us try to give some of the styling to this card as well. Okay, so what we will do is, let us add the background color with this attribute bg color, simply white. Okay, now I need to add some of the classes as well. W 90% for the mobile. For medium screen I will be using W full, means take the entire width. Height I will be giving as 200 pixel. I will use the cursor pointer. Okay, I will be adding some of the border radius as well, so I've used rounded -lg. Let us add border -2, means border of width 2 pixel, and then again margin auto on the x-axis. That's it. Now you can see this card design. Okay, now till now it is not completed because we have to work with the card header as well. Let us add class name. Increase the text size by 3 rem. Again mx auto to bring this plus icon in the center, and then add margin y on the this. Okay, now you can see that how perfect this component look like. But see, when I was giving you the demo of that project, at that time you can see that we were having the 3 cards in same row. Okay, so how that thing will happen? So now let us import, cut the entire code of this card and create a separate component of this. Okay, in the component create one new folder with the name of card. Create one file name as create note card.js. Create one function component. Okay, remove this entire and just paste this. Import all the cards and card header and those icons. Okay, I will bring icon from this. That's it. Now let us import this create card icon here. Okay, in the notes container. So in the box we will import the create note card. Perfect. Okay, now what we can do is, now let us create one more card which will be note card.js to show the official information. Okay, I will paste the entire information of the same card here as well, and let us change the name with this note card. Let us import, not import, let us try to map this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot map to check, because content will come dynamically obviously. Okay, let us add underscore comma index, and it is note card. Let us add key prop, otherwise we will get the error. Okay, Now you can see they are all in the new line, but we do not want that. So what I will be doing is I will be using grid of the Tailwind CSS, okay, because each and everyone know what grid is, okay. Now see how I will add the grid syntax. In the box, let us add the class name. Now just simply add the grid hyphen calls hyphen 1, because in mobile screen I want to show only one column in one row. For MD I want to add, means for medium screen I want to add 3 columns. Okay, that's it. Save this. Now you can see that we are having the 3 cards in same row. Now one more style I want to add. You can see that we do not have gap between any of these cards. So gap will come using this property. Use gap hyphen 5. Okay, now you can see that we are getting gaps perfectly. Okay, so this was the basic layout. Okay, now let us improve this layout more, okay, in the next video. Okay, so that's it for this video. Now let us improve the UI more in the next video. Okay.